welcome back to my channel. So today we are doing another Halloween makeup tutorial. Guys, I'm so excited for this one. Today we are doing a Mermaid Siren look. If y'all didn't know, I'm obsessed with mermaids. In the summer I turn into a mermaid, don't tell no one. But yeah, I love mermaids, and today there's no inspo pic. I'm just gonna kind of do what I think a mermaid looks like. I'm just gonna make it up and everything. But yeah, I love mermaids and I love making these Halloween makeup tutorials. I'm having so much fun, guys, so I hope you're enjoying these videos too. So yeah, I'm so excited to get into this tutorial. But before we get into the tutorial, make sure y'all go subscribe right now. Right now, I'll give you 2 seconds. Okay, thank you for subscribing. Now we can get into the video. my camera my phone's full of storage, so I couldn't finish filming and I feel so bad. But basically what I did is I just put a few gems on the side of my face and I put on lashes, and I just did my lips the same color I did the rest of my face. And I put a little gem here because I thought it was cute. And y'all, this look came out so freaking cute. I'm so obsessed with this mermaid look. How adorable. So yeah, this is the finished mermaid kind of siren look, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And to get the scales, I just used a shirt that had like this kind of material because I just wanted like a scale look. I'm like covered in glitter and blue. But yeah, I had so much fun doing this look. It was a little challenging getting these gems on, but I just used eyelash glue to stick them on, and it came out pretty good. I'm like obsessed with this mermaid siren look. Very cute. Very cute. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video now. I'm all done with my makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this mermaid siren look. I had so much fun doing it. It's so cute. I'm literally obsessed. But yeah, make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. Make sure y'all subscribe right now. Takes 2 seconds. Go subscribe, please and thank you. And make sure y'all leave me a comment down below what you guys think of this look, if you like it, if you dig it. And y'all let me know what you are going to be for Halloween. Comment down below what you guys are going to be for Halloween, because I'm so curious, because I still need to get myself a costume for Halloween and I don't know what to be yet. So I need help deciding if you guys want to help me out. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys. Stay magical, stay weird, and have a magical, beautiful day. Mwah. Bye.